Good morning, dear students. This is Sudhi Shukla. So today we will start our discussion for the types of satellite. Types of satellite. Dear students, I have told you about the satellite that it is a body which is going to rotate around a bigger body. Likewise, a planet. Example of the satellite will be a planet. And I have also told you कि सैटेलाइट को हम दो तरीके से क्लासिफाई कर देते हैं, एक नेचुरल सैटेलाइट एंड द सेकेंड वन इज आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट. सो यहां पे टाइप्स ऑफ सैटेलाइट जो हम देखेंगे वो दो तरीके से होगी, दैट इज एक्टिव एंड पैसिव सैटेलाइट. मीन्स द फर्स्ट वन इज पैसिव सैटेलाइट एंड द सेकेंड वन इज एक्टिव सैटेलाइट. So let's start discussion for the first one is that is what? A passive satellite. To which satellite you will say that it is a passive. So simply we can say a passive satellite simply reflect the signal received from Earth station. Let me write a passive satellite simply reflects the signal received from Earth stations. So this is what a passive satellite is. मतलब कि जो पैसिव सैटेलाइट होगा उसका सिर्फ और सिर्फ काम होगा रिफ्लेक्शन का. किसको रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा? वो सिग्नल को रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. एंड आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट व्हाट इज सिग्नल इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियोस. तो उन्हीं सिग्नल्स का जब कोई रिफ्लेक्शन करता है सैटेलाइट तो वो आपकी कैटेगरी हो जाती है पैसिव सैटेलाइट. सो द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन बाय पैसिव सैटेलाइट इज बेस्ड ऑन द properties of scattering of electromagnetic waves from different surface area. Means it is the principle on which the passive satellite works is generally scattering of electromagnetic waves. Let me write. The principle behind this is scattering of electromagnetic waves from different surface area. This is the principle behind the reflection of the signal for the passive satellite. Dear students, the first passive satellite was ECO-1. ECO-1 was the first passive satellite of NASA and it was launched in August 1960. This was the first passive satellite which purpose is to do a reflection. सिर्फ reflection का काम, जिसको लॉन्च किया था नासा ने अगस्त 1960 में. This ECO-1, I'm talking about this ECO-1 which is a passive satellite. This ECO-1 was 100 feet in diameters plastic balloon. This is a plastic balloon which was 100 feet with aluminum coating at orbital height of 1000 miles that reflected radio signals transmitted from Hughes Earth Station antenna. So this ECO-1 was become the first passive satellite, and generally those passive satellites are called balloon because those satellites were act as a mirror. किसका काम करते थे? वो मिरर का काम करते थे. उनका सिर्फ काम क्या होता था? रिफ्लेक्शन का. तो हम कहते थे एक तरह से मिरर का काम करते थे. तो पहला जो लॉन्च किया गया था वो बैलून के फॉर्म में था. सो 1960 अगस्त में हमने लॉन्च किया फर्स्ट पैसिव सैटेलाइट एंड ECO-1 was followed by this ECO-1 was followed by, dear students, ECO-2 in 1964. 1964 में हमने दूसरा पैसिव सैटेलाइट लॉन्च किया and with this ECO-2 scientists of US and Soviet Russia collaborated for the first time on international space experiments. This was the time, that is 1964. This was the satellite ECO-2 or ECO-2 at which the two scientists of two countries, US and Soviet Russia, they are collaborated for first time for the launching of this satellite, passive satellite. So signals were transmitted between University of Manchester for NASA, and Gorky State University in Russia. The orbit of ECO 2 was 600 to 800 miles. Means at this was the time at which the scientists were collaborated first time, and they have transmitted a signal from University of Manchester of NASA, which is in USA, to the Gorky State University of Russia. मीन्स मैनचेस्टर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ रशिया से जो सिग्नल ट्रांसमिट किया गया था यूजिंग दिस इको 2, और वो कहाँ गया था, रिसीव्ड कहाँ हुआ था, गोरकी स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ रशिया में. तो जनरली what we come to know about this passive satellite ki it works as a mirror, and the main and the only purpose of this satellite is the reflection of the signal. So along with this there are few of the disadvantages for passive satellites. What were the disadvantages? The first disadvantage was large earth stations with expensive tracking facilities. It requires large stations, that means we are talking about earth station with expensive tracking facilities, with expensive tracking facilities. This become the first disadvantage for passive satellite, that it requires large number of earth stations with expensive tracking facilities. So this is not a cost effective. This doesn't become a cost effective for us. The second disadvantage was earth station requires high power. That means requirement of high power, that is nearly about 10 kilowatt, to transmit signals strong enough to produce an adequate return echo. Means while using this passive satellites, there is a requirement of high power of nearly 10 kilowatt. This again becomes a disadvantage of passive satellite. The third disadvantage was control of satellites. Control of satellites are not possible from ground. This was the one of the major disadvantage for the passive satellite, that controlling of these satellites were not possible from the grounds. And the last one was the large interference. While using these passive satellites, we have large number of interference. Why? Because the uplink, the reason for this large interference was the uplink and downlink frequency was same. Uplink and downlink frequency was same, due to which it caused a large number of interference, and these becomes the disadvantage for passive satellites, for which we switch for the active satellites. Now it's a time to know that what are the active satellites. So dear students, I hope you understand about this passive satellites. What are passive satellites? So now we have to know about the active satellites. Dear students, the active satellites, simply we can say these satellites have the processing capability. These satellites have the processing capability. Dear students, an active satellite amplifies, filters and translates the frequency of the signal before transmitting back to earth stations. That means कि जो हम कहते हैं एक्टिव सैटेलाइट्स की प्रोसेसिंग कैपेबिलिटी होती है, वो प्रोसेसिंग किसकी प्रोसेसिंग मीन्स सिग्नल की प्रोसेसिंग की हम बात करते हैं. एंड सिग्नल की प्रोसेसिंग मीन्स जो एक्टिव सैटेलाइट्स होते हैं वो सिग्नल्स को एम्पलीफाई करते हैं, फिल्टर्स करते हैं, एंड आफ्टर इट ऑल दे ट्रांसमिट द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द सिग्नल टू द रिसीवर सेक्शन. सो एक्टिव सैटेलाइट्स वो सैटेलाइट्स होते हैं जो जिनमें प्रोसेसिंग कैपेबिलिटी होती है. अलॉन्ग विथ इट देयर आर few advantages and disadvantages of active satellites, among which the first advantage is require low power earth station. This is the major advantages, that it requires low power earth stations. Low power earth stations. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एडवांटेज. मैंने अभी बताया कि पैसिव सैटेलाइट्स में जो रिक्वायरमेंट थी वो हाई पावर थी, डेट इज नियरली अबाउट 10 किलोवाट, लेकिन इसके साथ एडवांटेज ये था कि जो पावर की रिक्वायरमेंट थी डेट वाज लो. सेकेंड, डायरेक्टली कंट्रोल्ड बाय ऑपरेटर्स फ्रॉम ग्राउंड. द सेकेंड एडवांटेज वर डायरेक्टली कंट्रोल्ड बाय ऑपरेटर्स from ground. The second advantage is for active satellite is it can be directly controlled by the operators from ground, and this was the disadvantage of passive satellite, that it is not directly controlled from the ground or from the operators which are on ground. The third advantage was less costly. If we are talking about the cost effectiveness, these active satellites were more cost effective. They are less costly. The next advantage is it has its own transmitting and receiving antenna. Means for the passive satellites, the transmitting and the receiver sections are quite different. The same transmitter has not its same receiver, but the advantage of active satellite that it has its own transmitting and receiving antenna, and these are not open to random use. This becomes also one of the main advantage, that this is not available for the random use. So it is secured. We can say this may be secured. So it has its own transmitting and receiving antennas. This is one of the advantage. Now the disadvantage for active satellites. The first disadvantage is disruption of service due to failure of electronic components on board the satellites. Means there is disruption of service. There was a disruption or interruption of the services due to the failure of electronic components. The students, that means कि अगर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स में कोई फेल्योर है तो उसकी वजह से जो सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करता था सैटेलाइट, दैट वाज इंटरप्टेड, दैट वाज डिस्टर्ब्ड. Second disadvantage was requirement of on-board power supply. It requires an on-board power supply. This is one of the main disadvantage of active satellites. The last disadvantage was requirement of larger and powerful rocket to launch heavier satellites in orbit. That means it requirement of larger and powerful rockets to launch heavier satellites in orbit. That means it requires larger and powerful rockets for the launching of heavier satellites in orbit. So these are the disadvantages for active satellites. So let me conclude. Let me conclude about the active and passive satellites. That if you are talking about these active satellites, the work of the active satellites is the processing of the signal. That means it not only reflects back the signal, it amplifies, filter out, and then retransmit it back. But the case of the passive satellite was what it generally do, it only reflect back the signal as it works as a passive satellite. It only works as the reflection of the satellite. That's why it is called passive satellites. So dear students, this is all about the active and passive satellites. I hope you understand. If you have any type of doubt, you can directly ask to me. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.